bought this cute preppy letter graphic sweatshirt in pink for one of my teen daughters. She usually wears a 4-6, so that translates usually into a small. This one is a large, so I did have to have I had to play with the sizing. So I had to size her up to a large to get it a little oversized. You know, they like everything oversized. But that was my only issue. As far as quality goes, it's definitely nice quality. The fabric is soft, it is lightweight, and the letter graphic design gives it that trendy, preppy aesthetic. Let's just focus in on it. Very nice. It's nice. It's very nice. It has nice ribbing around the collar, ribbing on the cuffs, and ribbing on the waistband. It is a cozy cotton blend that definitely feels comfortable. And this is going to work so well with her leggings, with her joggers, or with her jeans for that casual look. She lives in sweatshirts in the cooler weather, so this is going to be a nice one that she's going to wear. And it is very age appropriate for the teens. Would I buy it again? Absolutely. Like I said, my only caution is the sizing. If you want a loose, slouchy look, definitely size up. But overall, it is very cute, and it hits the oversized, preppy style that the teens love so much.